Assalamu alaikum. You are welcome to my channel. In today's hijab tutorial, it's going to be wow. If you want to see this hijab style and two other more, then keep on watching. And before I continue on, please subscribe to my channel. Hit on the subscribe button now. Yeah. Then if you happen to like my video, you click on the like button for me to know that you really appreciate my work. Without further ado, let's move on to the hijab style. Now, pause. If you want to see these hijab styles and different hijab styles, you can check my Instagram at Jamila Yaqub, and you'll see different hijab styles with different clothing styles too. So let's move on to the hijab style. So with this look, you secure here, then you make one side short and one side longer. So you take the shorter side, then you bring it over your head like so. Then you secure it with an office pin. Then you fold it from the back like this. You bring it something like this. Then you secure it. You've gotten 1, 2, 3. Then you fold again. When you're folding, you have to be a little careful. Then you secure it like so. Then you come and bring the longer side. Let me make this the longest side on top. You bring it like this, then you secure it here. So you've gotten 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 layers. Hijab, no matter how you do, when you finish, there's going to be some little this and that that you have to tackle. And the next side, so this is the look. So the hijab with many layers. So let's move on to the next style. So this is the next look. You make one side shorter and one side longer. Then you take the longer side. Then you bring it at the side of your ear like this. Then you secure it with a safety pin. This hijab style, you'll see at the end of the video. I'm not going to talk. Then you pass it behind like so. Then you bring it, then you bring it in front. This hijab style it adds a little drama to your look. You come and secure it here. You are done. But if you don't want any drama, you get a veil that don't have these little changes or whatever it's called. But if you want to add a little drama to your look, you go for this look. And what do we call it, after making a hijab style, if you don't make your bust size, not your bust, your neck to your shoulder side, if you don't arrange it well, it will look a little something. So this is the look. By this look, I think it will be really nice if this dramatic things are not there. So this is it. You can go for it. If you don't want this one, you go for a hijab that don't have these things, and it is a very nice style. So without further ado, let's jump into the last video. So with the last look of the day, we have this second look, this a little dramatic second look. So you're going to enhance it to create the last look. So you take the side that is hanging there, you come and pass it, you take it like this, and you come and pass it. Let me look at the mirror to see. Come and pass it from here. No. You come and pass it like so. From here to here. Yeah. You want to close it. So you pass it like so. Then you secure this one with an office pin. Then you come and see. You see the little twisting that is creating the twist over here. I just like it. If somebody see this style, the person, how is this style made? The twisting, I don't know, but I like the twisting. And you see, I don't know going back or coming. I hope it's clear. I have a problem with my camera, it's not really clear. You have to forgive me, but I hope you can see everything that I'm doing very well. So this brings us to the end of the video. I want to really know, out of the 3 looks, which one you like. And if you have a comment or any suggestion or question you would like to ask, you ask me down below in the comments. And if you have any hijab style, you can show me and I can make a video of it. So if you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe and hit on the like button if you enjoyed the video and the little dramatic display and the talk through that I'm doing. Assalamu alaikum.